Okay, so today for part A, they want us to find about what percentage of students scored over 80 on the final. So to do that, we're just going to convert that into a z-score. The z-score is equal to the value minus the average over the standard deviation. We're given that the value is 80. We're given that the average on the final is 55. And we're given that the standard deviation on the final is 15. So the z-score calculated out is 1.67. So to find the percentage of students who scored above 80, we need to find the area on the standard normal distribution curve that's above 1.67. So you can take a standardized normal distribution curve chart and find the area below z equals 1.67 and subtract 1 from that, and that'll give you the area above z equals 1.67. Or you can use, if you have a TI